Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello, dear pupils! Welcome to Read Your Channel. This is Teacher Glenn, your reading rescuer of the day. Now, be excited as we learn a new set of sound in the English language.
The first sound that we are going to master is the sound. As in the word milk. Say milk. The milk is rich in calcium. Another example of sound is man. Say man. The man eats healthy food. Sound can also be heard in words like map, mask, mug. And now, the next spelling pattern is M. When these two letters come together, they produce the sound. Can also be sounded as in the word summer. Say summer. We are going to the beach next summer. Another example of sound is swimmer. Say swimmer. She is a strong and active swimmer. You can also hear this sound in words like common, hammer, summit. MB is the next spelling pattern. When these two letters come together, they produce the sound. As in the word thumb. Say thumb. She sends thumbs up emoji. And here are other examples with a sound. Lamb, plam, numb. MN is the next spelling pattern. When these two letters come together, they produce the sound. Another word with a sound is hymn. Say hymn. The online service began with a rousing hymn. Another word with a sound is column. Say column. She writes a weekly column for the newspaper. You can also hear this sound in words such as solemn, condemn, autumn. You've just learned to pronounce the sound.
Great job! I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. Thank you for staying with me. Again, this is Teacher Glenn. See you in our next reading adventure!